Good morning student, I am your bio teacher and in this video we are going to study about the WBC. In my previous video already we have studied about that the blood have three types of the cells are present in the blood: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC already we have detailed study in my previous video, and in this video we are going to study about WBC. WBC means what? White blood cell. WBC are also known as WBCs are also known as leukocyte cell. Leukocyte cells. We have seen in the RBC is called as a erythrocyte cell, and in the WBC are called as a leukocyte cell. The shape of the WBC we have seen in the RBC is a biconcave in shape. The WBC have a irregular in shape like a amoeba. Amoeboids in shape. Amoeboid in shape. WBC have a nucleus. The size of WBC is 12 to 17 micron. The size of WBC is 12 to 17 in micron, and WBCs are produced in bone marrow, spleen and liver. You know that RBCs are 5 to 4.5 to 5 millions of RBCs are present in the blood, but in the WBC are much less than RBC. In WBC is only 4,000 to the 8,000 cubic millimeter of the blood. The main function of the WBC is fight against the diseases causing germs. So it is called as the fighter cell. What is the main function of the WBC? Is a fight against germs which is enter in our body. The WBCs are activate and which are fight with the germs. So it is called as the fight cell. They are fight against the germ in the two way. First is the phagocytosis and produce antibodies. I will explain in details. Phagocytosis means I told you the WBC have a amoeboid in shape. It is present in the nucleus in it. When the germs is enter in our body, that times you have already studied how does the amoeba capturing the food. Means it increase the pseudopodia and to capture the food with the help of pseudopodia. Same like that the WBCs are engulf the bacteria. Means there is a bacteria. The WBCs are increase and engulf the WBC is amoeboid in shape and it is engulf the bacteria. This process is called as the phagocytosis. What is mean by phagocytosis? Phagocytosis means when the germs enter in our body, that times WBCs are capturing the bacteria, engulf the bacteria. This process is called as the phagocytosis. In next we will see about that the types of WBC. In that which types of the WBCs are engulf the bacteria we will see. Got it everybody? What is mean by phagocytosis? Phagocytosis means the process in which the WBCs are engulf the bacteria, and when the bacteria come enter in our body it is disintegrate. Got it everybody? What is mean by phagocytosis? And second way, the WBCs are fight against the germ, produces the antibodies. When the germs are enter in our body, it secrete the chemicals. It is called as a toxin. It is also called as antigen. And WBC, when WBCs know the bacteria enter in our body, it secrete the chemicals. It secrete the chemicals, and this chemical is called as antibodies. And these chemicals, the antibodies like that shape, Y-shape antibodies. These chemicals, these antibodies are kill the toxin, kill the bacteria, otherwise neutralize the toxin. Antibodies are secrete the chemical, it is called antitoxin, and the antitoxins are neutralize the toxin. In that way, producing the antibodies and to kill the bacteria. In the two way, the WBC are fight against the germs. So we will call WBC is the fighter cell in our body. The lifespan of WBC is a 2 week. Some WBCs have a 2-3 days also, some hours also lifespan, but most of the WBCs the lifespan is a 2 week. WBC, we see the RBC have present the hemoglobin, that's why the RBC get a red in color, but the WBC the hemoglobin is absent, so it is have a white in color. Got it everybody? WBC hemoglobin is absent. Hemoglobin is absent in WBC. WBC is produced in the bone marrow and it is destroyed same as the RBC, means RBC is destroyed in the liver as a bile pigment. WBC is also destroyed in the liver. Next is the WBC increase in the blood. When the WBCs are increased in the blood, where causes a diseases is called as leukemia. WBC increase in blood causes a disease known as leukemia. It is also called as blood cancer, leukemia. And when the WBC decrease in blood causes a disease is known as leukopenia. Got it everybody? What is mean by WBC? WBC is a white blood cell which is present in our blood. WBC is also known as leukocytes cell. What is the shape of WBC? The shape of WBC is a amoeboid in shape, irregular in shape. The size of WBC is a 12 to 17 micron in diameter. The WBCs are produced in bone marrow, spleen and liver, and it is called main function of WBC is a fight against the germs, means whenever the germs which is enter in our body, the WBC is a act as a fighter cell. Two way the WBC is fight against the germs. First is a phagocytosis and second is a producing the antigens. And the 4000 to 8000 millimeter per cubic of the WBCs are present in our blood. And the lifespan of WBC is a 2 week. Hemoglobin is absent and nucleus is present in the blood. When the WBCs are increased in our blood, we are suffering a disease is called as leukemia. And when the WBCs are decreased in the blood, we are suffering a disease is called leukopenia. One term is remaining, diapedesis. Diapedesis means, I will explaining you with the help of diagram. Diapedesis. This is the blood vessels. In the blood vessel, there is a WBC, RBC, plasma, platelets. When the germs are enter in our body, the WBCs are oozing out from the blood vessels, squeeze out into the blood vessel. This process is called as the diapedesis. Got it, everybody? What is meant by diapedesis? Diapedesis means the process in which WBCs can squeeze through the blood wall, blood capillaries. This process is called as the diapedesis. Diapedesis understood? The 90% times WBC in lymph and tissue fluid. 90% of the times are spent by the WBC in lymph and tissue fluid, and only 10% in blood vessel. The main function: when the germs are enter in our body, the WBCs are oozing out from the blood capillaries. And types of WBC. The WBCs are main divided into the two types. Is categorized by granules and non-granules. First is the granular. Granular, it is also called granulocytes, and agranular, it is also called as the non-granular. Agranular, or also called as a non-granular. The granular, there are a three subtype. Granular means what? You know that. This is a cell. The cell, it is a nucleus, and there is a cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, in liquid, it is a cytoplasm means it is a liquid which is present in the cell. In the cytoplasm, there is some granules like appearance. Granules are present in the cytoplasm. This WBC is called as the granular WBC, and non-granular WBC means this is a cell, there is a nucleus, and only cytoplasm, liquid is present. There is no granules. This is called as the agranular or non-granular. There are three types of the granular WBC. First is the neutrophils. Second is the eosinophils, and third is the basophils. And the two types of the non-granular, it is the lymphocytes and monocytes. One by one we will study about that, the all types of the neutrophils. It is the 60% neutrophils WBCs are present in our blood. 60%. And where it is produced? It is produced in bone marrow. And main function of the neutrophils is a granular WBC produced in the bone marrow. 62% neutrophils are present in our blood. And the main function of the neutrophils is engulf the bacteria, means phagocytosis. I explain about that, what is mean by engulf the bacteria, means it is producing the pseudopodia and capturing the bacteria. This process is called as the phagocytosis, engulf the bacteria. And this is the few hours, the lifespan of this WBC is a few hours. I will show the structure of WBC. It have a nucleus with 3 to 4 lobes. Neutrophils produced in the bone marrow. Main function, engulf the bacteria. They have a nucleus with 3 and 4 lobes. I will show. This is the cell. This is the cytoplasm, granules, and the nucleus. 3 to 4 lobe nucleus, like that structure of the neutrophils. Got it, everybody? What is meant by neutrophils? Next is the eosinophils. 2 to 3% WBC cells are present in our blood with nucleus. They have also nucleus with 2 lobes nucleus, and the main function is the engulf the bacteria. And when there is allergy, that times it is also secrete the antitoxin. It is associated by allergy. Got it, everybody? It is also produced in the bone marrow. Third point, it is also produced in bone marrow. And the structure, it is the cell two-lobe nucleus. Two-lobe nucleus, and there is a granules. Got it, everybody? Eosinophils. Eosinophils WBC, it is the granular types of the WBC. 2.3% the eosinophils are present in the blood. The nucleus with two lobes, when there is associated with the allergy, it is produced in the bone marrow, and the structure of the eosinophil like that. Next is the basophil. Basophil is the 0.4% of the basophils are present. The nucleus is a large and distinct lobe. The nucleus is I will show that structure. It is cytoplasm. The nucleus is a large and distinct nucleus. And the granules, and the main function is inflammation. It give inflammation. Means why? When the swelling, the basophil cells are secrete the chemicals, release the chemical histamine. Got it, everybody? It is also produced in the bone marrow. There are three types of the WBC. The granular WBC means what? Which is present inside the cytoplasms, have a granules. Neutrophils 62% WBCs. Eosinophils are 2.3 and basophils 0.4. The main function, engulf of the bacteria. It is also engulf of the bacteria, and it is also associated with the allergy. And the main function of the basophils, it is to give the inflammation, means swelling, and it is release the chemical is a histamine. That's why there is wherever your body have an injury, there is a redness, heat and swelling. Got it, everybody? And it is also produced in the bone marrow. Next type of the WBC is the agranular WBC. It is also called as the non-granular WBC, means there is no granules which is present in the cytoplasm. First we see lymphocyte WBC. It is the 30% are present in the blood. It is the smallest WBC it is the smallest WBC. Large nucleus are present in the cell, and the main function to produce antibodies. In previous I told you what is meant by antibodies and how does the antibodies act for the germs. They are secrete the WBC. The lymphocyte cells are secrete the chemicals, and these chemicals are act on the germs, secreting the antigens. Got it, everybody? Lymphocyte, and it is also produced in the bone marrow and lymph. Produced in the bone marrow and lymph. And main function to produce the antibodies. Last type of the agranular WBC is the monocytes. 5.3% monocytes WBCs are present in our blood. It is also produced in bone marrow. It is also produced in the bone marrow. And the main function to digest the germs. And the structure, it is also have a large size nucleus. It is also have a kidney shape, large size nucleus. Got it, everybody? What is meant by WBC? There is the two types of the categorize the WBC: granular WBC, non-granular WBC. Granular WBC means what? There is the granules are present in the cytoplasm. This WBC is called as the granular WBC. There are three types of the granular WBC: neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Neutrophils 60% are present in the blood, and main function to engulf the bacteria. They have a nucleus with 3 and 4 lobes and it is also produced in the bone marrow. Eosinophils 2.3% in WBC. The nucleus with the 2 lobe and it is associated for the allergy and it is also produced in the bone marrow like that structure. And basophils, it is the 0.4% in WBC and it give the inflammation, means it release the chemical, it is called as the histamine, and with the in histamine there is a injured spot have a swelling, redness. And the agranular means the cytoplasm are not present the granules. There are two types of the agranular WBC, lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocyte 30%, it main function to produce the antibodies and it is also produced in the bone marrow and lymph. And monocytes 5.3% of monocytes WBC and it is also produced in the bone marrow and main function to digest the germs. Got it everybody? What is mean by WBC? What is the characteristics of WBC? What is the function of WBC and types of WBC? Thank you.